Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading. And we're going to do a little bit of update on gold, the SPY, the QQQ, the ES1, the NQ1. But I have to say one thing. Have I not nailed this or have I not nailed this? I mean, if you're not paying attention to my channel, there's something wrong. Something wrong with you. I told you that gold could come down into this level right here, 2008.82. I mean, I was a little bit off. Holy snickerdoodles. I mean, come on, give me a break. I said that we needed to break 2009.06. Look how it used 2009.06 as support. Now the market's heading back up to 928-ish, but I got to do like a little quick analysis. But as soon as I looked at the prices, because I don't actually trade this, I'm doing analysis on it just to do analysis on it and get more viewers. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 5,000 subscribers. I'm a little bit far away from it right now. But anyway, hang on a second. Let's get a target for this thing. Okay, the all-important point today to get over is 2009.32. This is basically falling into the same type of scenario that we had before. So we got some, basically what you could say up here, that young boys call, I think they call it liquidity zones or something like that. I call it resistance. So right up in here, we got some resistance right at this bar's close over here. So why does it want to draw? Okay, come on, boys. That stupid tower price thing is in the way. Hang on here. Let's get rid of it. Actually, okay, well, I'll go down over here. Here's resistance. It's a little bit higher than that, 2009.28. But hang on. Let's get rid of that. Let's move on over. Let's see exactly where we're at. Get me a ray for the time being. Get rid of the ray. We got resistance at 2009.18. That was the original one that we had to hold. Remember that? We said that we had to hold 2009.18 or we were going to move down to 2008.82. So the first level is that 2009.18 is the first level. Let's go down. 2009.19 right there is the first level that we got to get over in order to try to get back up into this channel right here. Okay, so really we're going to probably see some consolidation. Right now it's actually happening. We're going to get consolidation probably between these two levels. Okay, if we can hold these two levels, which I believe that we are going to hold these levels, we're probably going to get a breakout to a new high, probably around to maybe 2009.960 or so. The ultimate target right now that I have longer term, and I don't know, maybe longer term is 3 days, because this thing could be pretty whippy, is $3,035. $3,035. Okay, so if you're a gold bull, and you survived this little bit of panic down here, because I gave you the level that I said it's got to hold, that was support. If you had the gonads to hold on to it, well, you're sitting pretty right now. I mean, if you bought at the high, no, you're still out of the money and you're still not feeling well. But the all important point is that 2008.82. So let's move on over to the all right, so what am I saying? So we need to get above 2009.18. Sorry, let's get into some real analysis here. And then we could probably see this high bar's close at 2009.35. A break at 2009.35 is going to send us up to probably, let me put a line here, 2009.35. Okay, we're probably going to get up to, I would think, like 2009.70. I would think that it's going to rally to like 2009.70. It's going to freak everybody out. I mean, people that, went short, it's going to freak them out, really. Good for them. I don't want to say what I was going to say. I was going to say F them, But anyway, if they went long here, they're safe. So those are the points in gold for the day. Let's move on over to the this guy right here, the SPDR index. All right, so told you that we were a little bit of a bid mode. We really didn't go that much higher. Let's see what's our high been. 614. Okay, so hang on a second here right now. What has it got to hold? 614. Ooh. I would go with like 605. 605. Close enough. Oh, look at that. 605. It's got to hold the 605 level. If we can get through this new latest high that we have, we're starting to get a bullish pattern forming. Starting. And bullish patterns could always change. So in other words, what I'm saying is we got some support coming through. The marketplace is riding the support right now. This is a critical price. If it breaks the support line, obviously we could trade down potentially to this low bars close at 607. That would be the warning, then a 605. So right now we have a horizontal resistance because we don't have any other point that we can go on right here at the 614. So if we can get through, if we break through 614, we could expect to see like 623. I'm starting to get my voice in this because like it's not like something 623.13. That's basically fine. So really what we're saying is that we are in consolidation mode. We're consolidating higher. We're blocking higher, right? We had the original high that at 612. So we could consolidate to 605. A holding of 605 and a breakout above the top of 614 is basically showing us that we're going to this fucking thing. We're going to 623.13. Let's go to the QQQ. All right, QQQ. Where are we on this thing? Let's get me some QQQ, man. Basically, I haven't done much in this. I mean, well, it's actually higher. It's 540 on the pre-open. Okay, so 540. Today it's got to hold 525. Let's go 526, 526.23. That's the level that it has to hold up today. We are breaking through the, well, we got 539.15 was a recent kind of rally. You know, if we can get through this, say, if we hold up here at 540, okay, and the marketplace basically can spike to 548, 550. Let's go 548.5. How about that? 548.5. That would be a target on the upside if you're a day trader. Okay, 549. That's fine. We could spike through that. Now, if we get through that, we're heading towards the 560. So the critical price on the day for people that didn't get involved, you know, didn't get in the train before the train started moving, is that 526 level. You may not get a full pullback to that. I would think that maybe, you know, even 532 would be like a decent level to look for some short-term support, and that might be, actually, let's go to this low bars close right here. So 531.70. So what am I saying? I'm saying the market, I said it, I think it's in a bullish type of tone. I think that the world that the Trump administration putting pressure on the Fed to lower rates, not that they're going to do it, but, you know, they're putting pressure on the Fed to lower rates. If anything, you know, there's a saying, you know, there was, I think it was Mike Dicker anyway, like Mike Dicker used to, on a football game, Mike Dicker used to scream at the refs after a bad call was made. And, you know, he'd be yelling, jumping up and down. And one of his assistant coaches says, why are you screaming like that at the guy? I said, because, you know, the call is made, he's not going to change it. He goes, yes, but he'll make him think twice on the next call. So in other words, by Trump screaming at the Fed saying lower rates, lower rates. It'll make them think about raising rates. So anyway, that's just a little analogy. Let's go on over to the ES1, the E-mini futures. Got resistance at 6,157. I have a support at 6,130. What I'm saying is I think that this marketplace could trade in this new range right now. I believe that this is also upward movement. So what would be the target upward if we can break up today? The target upward would be 6,170. 6,170. This 6,130 is a warning. So it's basically saying that if we trade in this range, break this, we're going down to potentially 6,105, which is still, it's a major support point on the next couple of days, and I would expect to see a rally back upward from that point. But a breakout of this level right here is sending us up to 6,170. So that's what we're standing with that this index right here. Now, did I cover everything? I think that I did. Oh, the NQ1. The NQ1. All right. Let's get rid of that. Let's get me one of these guys that I can just erase real quick and erase this real fast. Okay. So we got basically resistance at the high bars close, which is the 22,415 level. We're at the 22,415 level. We're at 22,285. The level that has to hold today to actually start to go higher is going to be this 22,120 is a support level. The warning level is 22,211. Okay, so I think that we could come back down to this 22,211, maybe slightly dip, slightly like we're traveling right now. Like this, we could slightly dip below it, come back up, and then eventually try to attack that high bars close, take that out, and we got to 22,608. So that's what I got in the gold and in the futures. Please, I'm trying to get up to 5,000 subscribers. I'm quite a ways off now. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. I want to build a big trading community. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.